Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Dipti. Today, first time I'm posting a makeup video. I am not a makeup artist, but I tried a few basic things I know. So here I go. So first thing, guys, I'm gonna use a primer as I have this for Sally Rose Gold. It's like oil. It's gonna give a base for a foundation, and it's really good. So I'm just gonna spread all over my face, and then I'm using this Fit Me foundation. My shade is 240, but I think it's little lighter for me, but I have this. I'm using it, and I'm using this beauty sponge from Ulta and just blending it down. And I feel the using a sponge is very easier to blend the foundation. Now I am using this LA Girl concealer to conceal my face under my eye. I love this part, it's really fun. I just learned it. I hope you guys like it the way I am trying. So all this here I'm gonna place concealer, and again I'm gonna take the sponge and blend it slowly, and also I'm just blending it on my eyelid as well, because it's gonna give a base to our eyeshadow. And now I'm defining my brows using the ELF brow kit. My brows are quite thick, guys, so I'm using very little. So if you have very thin brows, so I would tell you should go with this brow kit. So it's like you have to be very careful while defining your brows, because it's like a main feature of your face. So I usually don't use it, but today I'm using. Now I'm using this NYX eyeshadow base, and now I have this Morphe eyeshadow palette neutral, and I'm gonna use this light pink shade as a transition shade. I'm learning, guys. So I'm just using this light shade, and after that I'm using this little brown shade and just spreading it all over my eyelid using this eyeshadow brushes. And after that I'm using a little I'm gonna use a darker brown shade, this one, and again exactly above my eyelid I am just blending it. I'm just using all the brown shades from lighter to dark, and now the shimmer orange I'm using it at the corner of my eyelid till the center of my eyelid. It's the shimmering color gonna give your eyes a sparkle, so it's gonna look like this. And now I have this NYX counter kit, and this darker shade I'm gonna use to counter my face like this. It's gonna give the shape to your face like this. Hey, you can see I have this Makeup Revolution powder, which I'm gonna use to bake my face just below under eyes here and this forehead. And I'm using this L'Oreal. Now I'm using this Essence eye pencil in my waterline, and just I am pulling this outline just to give a look of liner. And now I'm using NYX lip liner. I'll mention the shades and everything in description. And using this matte cherry lipstick. Oh, it's It's literally really bright for me. I'll fix it. And using this NYX blush. NYX blush and highlighter from NYX Counter Kit to highlight my cheekbones. And that darker shade I'm gonna use to contour my nose. I feel this way using my finger, it's easier for me rather using brush. So I'm just gonna blend it. So it's gonna give a shape to your nose like that. Yeah. And using this highlight, the nose is gonna pop up very sharp. And now I'm just going to put highlighter here, so it's gonna give your eyebrows and eyes, let's like a total whole look, gonna look very nice. And now I'm using this MAC light lipstick to fix my lipstick. And I have this Huda Beauty Chameleon lashes. I am not so good in like putting lashes. First time actually using, it's really tough, but I tried. I hope I did it. And using the glue, I am putting the lashes. I usually just use on lip mascara, and I'm just fixing all the makeup using this makeup spray by Ulta. And that's it. This is how it's gonna look. It's the final look, guys. I really hope you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you next video. Bye bye.